Good day and Assalamualaikum. Today, we're going to discuss the preposition of place that focuses on a preposition word at, in, and on. So let us define first what is preposition. So we'll know that a preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase to show a direction, time, place, location, and spatial relationship or introduce an object. First preposition, on. The preposition on is commonly for a surface. So that means ginagamitan natin ng prepositional word na on yung sentence natin kapag ang ginamit natin is nakalagay siya into flat surface. For example, the paintings look good on the wall. So yung paintings niya is nakalagay siya into wall, which is the wall is a flat surface, and our prepositional word here is the word on. Second, your phone is on the table. So sinabi niya dito na yung phone niya is nasa table, which is that table is a flat surface, which is nandun nasa ibabaw yung phone niya. Second preposition, in. So the preposition in is enclosed space. So there is a boundaries. Also, there is a clear inside and outside. So sa preposition in, dito is yung tinutukoy natin is nasa loob siya ng isang bagay or ng box. For example, the perfume is in the box. So like this, perfume, the perfume is in the box. So nasa loob daw yung perfume, nasa loob. Ayan, ganyan, nasa loob daw po. Pero pag sinabi natin na the perfume is on the box, so ganyan po siya dapat kasi there is a flat surface. Pero pag sinabi natin na the perfume is in the box, so that means nasa loob siya, which is there is a clear inside and also there is a clear outside of the box. Second, the battery in the iPad. So sinabi niya dito na yung battery daw is nasa loob siya ng iPad, which is totoo naman kasi yung iPad is meron naman siya talagang loob, meron din siyang labas. So which is nasa loob yung battery. Third, the shade is in the case. So sinabi niya dito na yung shade daw is nasa case nung shades. So that means nasa loob yung shade, which is yung case is there is a clear inside and also there is a clear outside. Fourth example, the pen is in my bag. So yung pen niya daw is nasa loob ng bag, which is yung bag niya is meron itong clear outside and of course clear inside. So in a prepositional in, always remember that there is a boundaries. Of course, always nandito yung clear inside and clear outside. Pag sinabi nating in, which mean nasa loob yung tinutukoy natin. Always remember. So the preposition in is ginagamit din natin siya into when it comes to buildings or the room. For example, Miss Farah classroom is in the building. So sinabi niya dito na yung classroom daw ni Miss Farah is nandyan sa building na yan. Yung building na yan, nandoon yung classroom ni Miss Farah. Second, my Bluetooth speaker is in my bedroom. So sinabi niya dito na yung Bluetooth speaker niya is nasa loob siya ng bedroom niya, which is dun sa room. Third, Dr. Gomez is in emergency room. Sinabi niya dito na si Dr. Gomez daw is nasa ER siya, which is ginamitin niya ito ng prepositional word in. Third, the word preposition in is ginagamit din natin siya into areas, region, country, and cities. So there is or there have an edges or a borders dun sa tinutukoy natin. So for example, the biggest flower Rafflesia can be found in the Philippines kasi only in the Philippines lang makikita yung Rafflesia na flower. And ginamitin na ito ng prepositional word in. Second example, the Cebu City is the oldest city in the Philippines. So, since Philippines lang yung sakop, and at the same time, totoo naman na yung Cebu City is oldest city in the Philippines. So, ginamitan din niya ito ng prepositional word in. Third example, Batanes is in the Cagayan Valley region. So, ang tanong dito, saan ba dito yung basehan natin ng preposition natin? Yung Batanes or yung Cagayan region? Yung Cagayan region po. Kasi, from the statement, sinabi niya dito na yung Batanes daw is belong siya into Cagayan Valley region. At ito'y ginamitan niya ng prepositional word in. The third preposition, at. So, yung at preposition is ginagamit natin siya into a specific location. So, the preposition at is ginagamit din natin siya into events. Any events such as like at party, at a family reunion, at a wedding, at a celebration. For example, hello, are you at Lisa's birthday party? So, sinabi niya dito na tinanong niya kung nandoon ba siya sa birthday party ni Lisa. At ginamitan niya ito ng prepositional word na at. And ito, it is a party. Second, we meet at their wedding. So, just like sinabi ko kanina, ang prepositional word at is ginagamit natin siya into event. So, in a second example, sinabi dito na we meet at their wedding. So, magkikita daw sila doon sa wedding. So, always remember that a prepositional word at is ginagamit natin siya into specific location. So, the location here is the wedding. And ginamitan niya ito ng prepositional word at. Kanina, nabanggit ko na in a prepositional word at is ginagamit siya into event. Ngayon, ang prepositional word at is ginagamit din natin siya into a business, shop, mall, and public areas. For example, let's meet at KCC Mall. So, magkikita daw sila doon sa KCC Mall. Okay? So, always remember that when you say kapag dito sa prepositional word na at is there is a specific location. Second, I will check out the newly released book in Manila Bookstore. So, the specific location here is yung sa Manila Bookstore. Ginamitan niya ito ng prepositional word at. Third, how many Filipinos are working at Google? So, nandun yung at. I will meet you at the library. So, magkikita sila doon sa library, which is the library is a specific location and the word preposition here is at. And the library is also a public place. Ano nga bang pagkakaiba ng write your answer in sheet paper and write your answer on sheet of paper? So, pag sinabi natin write your answer on sheet of paper, so that means dito lang po, wala pong loob, flat surface lang po. Tapos pag sinabi naman natin na write your answer on sheet of paper, so that means meron pong yung susulatan natin is meron siyang clear outside and clear inside. So ganyan po, dapat nasa loob po. Kasi ginamitan natin siya ng prepositional word na in. In addition, we're going to use the prepositional word into general to specific, such as the country of the Philippines. So, I am in the Philippines. So, ang ginamit natin dito na prepositional word is yung in. And kasi ginamitan natin siya ng in, which is the Philippines is a general location. Second, we are at the Intramuros in Manila. So, yung Intramuros is within the Manila. So, ginamitan natin siya ng prepositional word na at. Kasi it is a specific location within the the capital city or the national capital city of the Philippines. And next one, the resort is on the island of the Palawan. So ginamitan natin ito ng prepositional word na on kasi yung resort is nasa island na yon, which is yung island naman na yon is nasa Palawan siya. So yan yung tinatawag natin na the location is in the island kasi yung resort na yon is nandun sa island na yon at yung island na yon is matatagpuan into Palawan.